In today's video, we're going to talk about credit utilization and what percentage you want those credit cards to be at to maximize your credit score from a credit factor standpoint. Okay, first we want to talk about the scale. You have 0 to 100% credit card utilization factor. Now, most people, they hear 30% utilization is the answer. That is not correct, guys. Would you ever tell your kids to get 70s in school? It's the same equivalent with regards to your credit score. From 0 to 9%, that is the best spot. You actually get points on your credit report when both your overall as well as each individual account has a factor of 9% or less. So make sure that that balance is 9% or less, both overall and for each individual account. From 10 to 29%, it's kind of neutral territory. It's not really hurting you, but it's also not helping you, just like it is when you're in 0 to 9%. When you hit 30% and higher, that's when you actually start to lose points. They deduct points from your credit report. When you hit 50% or higher, you could lose up to 100 or more points on your credit report simply by having an overall or even sometimes an individual utilization factor of 100% or more, okay? The idea is to keep your cards paid down often. I recommend paying them off every week, maybe every 2 weeks, whatever it is you need to do. It also depends on the limits of your credit cards. When you get new credit cards, use them as much as possible so that they increase the limits on those things as much as possible. It makes it a lot easier to keep a 0 to 9% utilization factor. If you have any questions, put them below. If there's another topic that you want to learn about, put that also below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tell me what else I could talk about. Make sure to share it with somebody else. The more we all learn, the better we all live. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow.